If you just don't want to pay and you really don't like me or anything, just come up to here and pretend to put money. You know what I mean? Like bring the flow in.
Yeah.
It really influences, no, seriously.
Yes.
It influences everybody around. If you feel like walking the other way or something, just do that a little bit later right after you come up and pretend to. Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I've really enjoyed performing for you guys. I think we had a lot of fun. We laid a little something out of nothing. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. All right, steady clap, everybody.